Hi guys, how is it going? I hope everything is going fine. This is Believer01 yet again came with another beautiful video. So as I have already told to you in this video, I'm going to tell you the GL winning software, the Grand League winning software, which helps you to win the Grand Leagues in all the available fantasy applications that are present out here. So there are many fantasy applications as we already know. One of them is Dream11 and My Team 11, MPL, and all of those fantasy applications. With this, by using this software, you can generate teams for all of those fantasy applications. So basically, GL winning is something that is not a small thing. It requires a lot of skill, at the same time, a lot of luck factor is also there. So the contest I am going to talk about here is the Grand League contest. Which is there in the Dream11 1 crore winning contest. Not only that contest, there are a lot of different Grand Leagues are there in the Dream11. At the same time, small leagues are there, and you can crack all of those small league and Grand League by using certain GL winning software called this software. This software is basically named as team generating software. This is basically developed by myself and some of my friends also there, and this software uses bunch of techniques, a lot of techniques and a lot of data that is present previously there, and it gives you the best quality teams that will help you to win the Grand Leagues for 100% sure. So you can see this is how the software looks. In this software, both cricket, football, basketball and kabaddi is also there. And as we are more familiar with cricket, let me go ahead click on cricket. After that, you can see there are a bunch of videos. In this video, I'm going to quickly tell you how the software works and how it generates teams, and how you will be able to win the Grand Leagues by using this software. So basically, I have already made a lot of videos on how to use this software completely. This is a very complex software. It contains a lot of options there, and it uses a lot of internal techniques to generate all the possible winning teams. So let me quickly show you how you can win the Grand Leagues by using this software in especially in this particular IPL. So this software is available for all the matches. So first of all, let me click on generate team option, and after that it is asking us to choose the fantasy application that you are using. So as I have already told to you, in India there are multiple fantasy applications, so it supports all variety of fantasy applications. First of all, let me go with the Dream11 since it is most used application in India, and after that it is asking us to choose the series. I mean, in the software all the available current series will be there. So IPL is about to start. Let me click on IPL, and after that it is asking the league, the contest that you are going to join. That means if you want the teams for small leagues, for example head to head small contest, for example 10 people, 100 people, in those contests, if you want the teams for those contests, you can go for this one. And if you want the teams for Grand Leagues, I mean the bigger leagues in Dream11 or any other application, you can go with this section. And this is advanced generation section. This is a very powerful section, and if you include your skill with this section, with this advanced generation section, you will definitely win Grand Leagues for sure, for almost every match. So let me quickly go ahead and click on small league for sure for now, and you can see it is asking us to choose the teams. So let me quickly select RCB versus Mumbai Indians at the moment, and after that you have to click on continue. After that you have to give the match number. So basically this software, after generating the teams, these software store all the generated teams. That's why we need a match number. You can give any match number, any number. So let me quickly give a match number as 1, and after that you have to click on continue, and it is asking us to select the players that are going to play in the match. So let me quickly select some random players for the time being. Let me quickly select some of the players that I think they will definitely play tomorrow. Tomorrow is the match between RCB versus Mumbai Indians. So after that, let me quickly select from Mumbai Indians side as well. Let me quickly select these players. So you can see I have selected the players, and after that you have to click on continue. In this section you can select anywhere between 12 to 22. You are not permitted to select only 22. You can select anywhere between 12 to 22. That means at least 6 players from each team. And after that you have to click on continue, and after that it is asking us to enter the number of teams you want to generate. Since I have already told you this is a small league section, you can generate teams between 1 to 100 only. But if you want a grand league section, you can generate teams anywhere between 1 to 5,000 teams in grand league section. So all these teams, whatever the teams that you generate here, all of them are very qualified teams, because for example, if you generate 5 teams in our software, in the background the software uses multiple combinations and multiple technologies to generate those 5 teams. So for example, if I want to generate for example 50 teams, let me quickly say, you can see all the teams are generated pretty quickly within fraction of seconds, and everything, captain, vice captain, everything will be selected along with the credits, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules. You can see everything, every team is there, and you can see print option. If you want the print these options, you can print them, and you can see analytic option there. You can see the analytics. So that means how many times a player is selected out of those 50 teams, and how many times a player is selected as a captain out of those 50 teams, and vice captain. Strategies is also there. Everything is there, and this is how you can generate the teams. This is how you can generate the teams for the grand leagues as well, and as well as small leagues as well. And this software comes with a lot of multiple applications. For example, if you want to check the results of those 50 teams, whatever the 50 teams that we have generated, if you want to check the results of them, you can you can see the results as well. And if you want to edit the data of the players as well, you can also do that. For example, I'm extremely sorry for making this video in English, because I don't know Hindi. I'm basically from South India, because that's why I don't know Hindi well. That's why I am making this video in English. I really apologize for doing so. So first of all, after going to match result, we have to select the series, and after that it is asking the match number. It is you have to give the same match number that you have previously given while generating those 50 teams. So which is the match number that we have given previously, which is 1. So after clicking on 1, you can see the 50 teams that we have generated are listed here. If you want to see them, you can see here. And if you want to see the match result, I mean if you want to see the results of those generated teams, you have to click on update here, and you have to click you have to enter the player points from Dream11 app. You have to open the Dream11 app after the completion of the match. You have to enter the player points, and you have to update the points here. For example, if Rohit Sharma is have got 100 points, I have placed 100 here, and after that click on update points. So after updating the points, you can see if you want to check the results again, let me quickly go ahead and click on 1 and continue. You can see previously it is asking us to update the points, but we have already updated the player points. That's why it is there is an option called see result option is here. If you want to see the results, you can see Rohit Sharma, since Rohit Sharma got 100 points, the teams in which Rohit Sharma is selected as a captain have become the first team. This is the first team, this is the second team, and so on. And this is how the software works. This is a very complex software, because what are the teams that are generated in this software are very accurate teams. The software uses almost 17 different techniques. The software uses 17 different techniques to generate the teams. All the 17 advanced techniques based on the pitch report, based on the player data, player capability, and based on the strategies that based on the strategies of the IPL. Everything will be covered by the software and will give you the 100% winning teams. I hope you guys like this video. Those who have interest on this software, this software works perfectly fine in both mobile and in laptop as well. And those who want the software can contact me through the description box. Can contact me. I will provide you the details of contact in the description box below and in the comment section below. Those who want the software can contact me in the description box below. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.